Hi, I'm Hazel Ricky, UR14CS293. This is my DBMS 5th experiment where we'll be learning about subqueries and correlated subquery. So my first question is to retrieve the name of a student who enrolled for a course. So according to my query, I use this select fname from enquiry where enquiry number in. I'm using this and select enquiry from enrollment, enquiry number from enrollment. So enrollment is my table, enquiry is my table, and with this particular query I get those names where or those names which have been enrolled for a course. So that comes as Anil and Sachin. Then my second query is display the details of enquiry made between 1st Jan to 1st December 2014. So in this, with a normal query using between, I get my particular display, the table displayed with enquiries made between 1st Jan and 1st December. And then also if I use my in statement, that is select from enquiry where enquiry date in, and I use this particular query, I get the same table displayed as the previous query. Then I have my next question as display the name of people enrolled for Java. So in this query I have select fname from enquiry where course code is equal to select course code from course where course name is equal to Java. So whichever student has enrolled for Java, that particular student's details name has been displayed, that is Sachin. So since the other person hasn't enrolled, so that name hasn't been shown. Then I have my next question as display the student name living in the city Bombay and studying course name Oracle. So according to my question, I have a query where my city is equal to Bombay and my course code. In that I have another select statement saying select course code from course where course name is equal to Oracle. So it satisfies my condition where Bombay and Oracle is mentioned. But since no city is there as mentioned as Bombay, there is no rows selected at all. But if it was either CB or E road, then there would have been some value displayed. Then my next question is display the names of students who have city name same as Raja. So in this particular query, I have select fname from query n1 and enquiry is my table where exist. We have used the query exist, select en2.city from enquiry n2. Again I have created another this for enquiry, and where en2.fname is equal to Raja and en1.city is equal to en2.city. So I'm comparing the same cities for those which are present with the same city as Raja. But since there is no same city as such, I have no rows selected. Then my next question is name the student who has enquired all the courses, use exist. So in this I again have my course code. I have this where they have enquired for the same enquired all the courses, use exist. So in this I have used this query where select fname from enquiry where exists. So I am seeing all the students who have enquired about the course, and in this, since I am after this query I have the names displayed as Anil and Sachin. Then my next query is name the course which is studied by all students, use exist. So in this I say select fname from enquiry where exist, select course code 10 and 20. Since my course code, I have only two course codes 10 and 20, I display these, I put it in my select clause. But since there is no enquiry made by any student for all the courses, there is no row selected. Then I have the last question is display the name of student with their city as CBE and course Java and batch code as 101. So in this I say, in this here it is my query, select fname from enquiry where city is equal to CBE and course code is equal to batch code 101. But in this, since there is no person with the same with the city CBE and the batch code 101, there is no row selected. But since I have a query with the city ERD which is E road and batch code 101, I have a name displayed called Sachin. So these are the queries for the particular experiment, subquery and correlated subquery. Thank you.